Hi, it's Sunday, July 3rd, and I'm putting in a new section to the garden. I'm using the pig manure, compost that I made from the wood chips and the pig manure out of the pig pen, and I'm spreading that along the bottom chain link fence here. I've tarped it earlier in the year to kill all the weeds. Hopefully most of them are gone. I'm sure some will come back. Put the tarp on the other side to suppress weeds on that side so they don't come through into the new garden area. That's a right of way for the water company. It's our property, but we need to keep it open. So I do have access to that side of the fence. I've run the main drip line down, and over here you can see I'm in the process of putting in that compost that I made out of the stuff from the pig pen. And here's where the main water line comes down for the drip tape. And I'll put drip tape here, run it all along the fence. Really love the drip tape. It works so well. That's what I'm using over here to water the corn and the pumpkins and Sarah's garden as well. So we'll have water, we'll have good soil, and plenty of sun. The three key ingredients to growing stuff. So hopefully in a few months this will all be nice and green. And I'm thinking about doing watermelon along here, and it could climb up the chain link fence, so get a little vertical gardening going.